Hey guys, Cyberdena here, and in this week's video we have our August Antipodean witch box. So I did receive this box after the full moon, not that that's an issue. The rituals can be done at any time that you feel is correct. But I figured I would still unbox it just so you can see what is inside. So let's get unboxing. I love it. Green is my favorite color. So on the top we have our pamphlet which says the 4th of August Kangaroo moon. So first up we have Chia Seed. The planet is Saturn, the element is water, the attributes are growth, strength, stamina, harmony, reputation, cleansing, and protection. Next up we have Laurel Leaves. The planet is Sun, the element is fire, the attributes are growth, transformation, protection, psychic powers, healing, and wishes. Star anise, and I could smell this in the box 100%. I'm not a big fan of star anise. The planet is Jupiter, the element is air, the attributes are growth, luck, clairvoyance, dream work, and protection. It smells like licorice. I'm not going to smell it because I don't like it. Green Aventurine. The planet is Mercury. The element is air. The attributes are growth, luck, prosperity, and safe travel. Unakite. The planet is Mars, the element is water, the attributes are growth, luck, balance, release, spiritual insight, and relationships. Green snakeskin Jasper. The planet is Venus, the element is earth, the attributes are growth, protection, truth, knowledge, and amplification. Two blue spell candles, which would be from last month's box, but they couldn't get them in time. Two green spell candles for this month's box. A bag with no label, but it looks like sort of leaf litter, I guess, and dirt. I'm interested to see what this is. A necklace with a globe pendant with some little dandelion bits in it. I don't know if you can really see it that well because it's light colours and light colours. A bag of dice. These are super cute. These are D12s. I typically prefer D10s, but you know, D12s are alright. They're pretty cool. They're pretty cool. I collect D10s and I have well over 200 at this point. So we have 3 different dice. We have just a typical purple D12 and 2 that have different symbols. This looks like the zodiacs, and I'm not sure of all of these symbols, but we've got like the male and female and different symbols on there. So they're very beautiful. We have our consecrated bath salts for growth. They smell really nice. They don't smell like licorice bones. And we have something wrapped up. Oh! It's a tiny little, what feels like recycled cardboard pot. And there's little sprouts and dirt in it. I have a black thumb. I'm gonna kill this if I try to grow it. It just smells like dirt. But it's super cute. Aww. And we have our sigil and affirmation for growth. I am grateful for the opportunities I am given to grow. I welcome growth, abundance, and prosperity into my life. So let's go through the pamphlet now. So we have the almanac for August 2020. The 2nd of August was in bulk. The 4th of August was the full moon, the Kangaroo moon. The 12th of August is the last quarter. The 19th, the new moon, and the 26th is the first quarter. So in this box we have the Bridget's Blessed Seed Bomb. This seed bomb has been handmade and contains a mix of bee-friendly flowers to beautify your garden. They can also be grown in a pot if space is limited. And the compostable growing pot. It is an eco-friendly pot made from compostable materials that can be used to sprout chia seeds. We have our growth sigil and affirmation. Our wishing globe seed pendant. So it has floating seeds in it. Ah, I see, maybe? Yes, okay. This makes sense now. This is the in bulk growth incense. It is eucalypti and sandalwood blend. And that is definitely what it smells like. It smells very nice and fresh. Very eucalyptus-y. I actually really like that. I was scared to smell it before, but it is nice. We have our Laurel Leaves. We have our bath salts. Our soy spell candles. Our Aventurine, our snakeskin Jasper, our Unikite, the star anise, our chia seeds, and our Astrology divination dice. So yes, there is the planets, the house, and the sign. And then it also has all of the information about each die and what the different faces mean. And then we have our Kangaroo Moon Growth Intention Setting Ritual. We have some deities of growth, which I will list in a pinned comment down below. And we also have a Blessed Bridget cake recipe. Alrighty, and that is everything that I got in the August 2020 Antipodean Witch Box. If you enjoyed watching, make sure to give it a thumbs up down below and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye! Alrighty, and that is everything that I got in the April Antipodean. My god, April